Configuration management for backup, restore, and detecting misalignment. Managing configurations manually is slow, error-prone, and increases the risk of downtime or security gaps. Domotz improves your configuration management workflow, so recovery and triage is faster and easier. To get started, open any device with a network configuration and select the Config tab from the Device Details screen. Domotz automatically monitors device configurations and identifies when a new configuration is misaligned. Click here to view the identified configuration misalignment. Domotz highlights the differences in configuration, allowing you to quickly identify and remedy the misalignment. Domotz creates a backup of configurations every 6 hours. You can also create a manual backup yourself at any time. Select Restore to one-click restore a backup configuration. Select Restore now to replace the current startup and running configurations. Configuration Management with Domotz. Configuration Management automatically backs up device settings and shows exactly what's different, so you can spot and fix misalignments fast. With one-click restores and instant visibility into configuration changes, you can maintain consistency, prevent issues, and recover in seconds.